Okay, good morning everyone. Today is our first lesson of the year, Science Year 5. We are going to focus to our Unit 1, Scientific Skills, topic Science Process Skills. So I hope all of you are ready with your textbook as well as your exercise book. Okay, before we move into our topic, I would like to refresh your mind about the previous knowledge regarding science process skills. As we all know, we have 6 science processing skills: observing, classifying, measuring, inferring, predicting and communicating, and we will be focusing to all these science process skills today. Move into the first page of our textbook, Unit 1, Scientific Skills. Please observe the picture carefully. As you can see, Anna, Melia, Chan and Ravi are playing tarik upe in the front yard. Once you observe the picture carefully, you have to state 2 science process skills that you can observe in the situation above. I want you to list down 2 science process skills from our previous lessons in the past years, from observing, classifying, either predicting or inferring, or any tools of the skills that you must list down now. You also have to suggest easier ways for Anna to pull Melia. So if you can see here, Chan and Ravi are leading the race. So what Anna and Melia can do in order for them to lead the race or increase the performance. List down 2 easier ways for Anna to pull Melia. Next, we focus to page number 2. Here we have, I want you to pause the video and have 1 minute for you to read the conversation between Anna and Melia and focus on the steps on how Anna folded a paper plane from step 1 to step 10. Next, we move to page 3. You may pause the video and have a read conversation between Melia and Ravi, as well as read on the steps on how Ravi folds his paper plane. In case you have any questions, you may ask me. Okay, Chan as well has prepared his plane. So we can see various designs of paper planes here. These paper planes have something in common, a sharp nose cone, but the difference is in the size of the wings. So the wings are in different shapes, but they all have a same or common similarity, which is a sharp nose cone. So here Mr. Zaki has requested all of them to use the same paper that he has gave the other day. It is because the type, size and thickness of the paper are the constant variable that can ensure a fair test. So constant variables here is the variable that don't change or remain the same. Okay, so before we proceed to our next lesson, I would like to make sure that all of you understand the different science process skills that involve in designing this paper plane, and I want all of you to use Anna's method of folding the paper plane so that all of the paper planes have the same design. So once you have created your paper plane, on our next lesson we will be conducting an investigation on how the size and the thickness of the paper affect the distance traveled by the paper plane, as well as we also will investigate other ways of launching our paper planes. So I hope all of you can follow this instruction by designing your paper plane using Anna's method. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.